Welcome to Tommy's Tackle Box, episode 1. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about male incontinence products, and in particular, the Tena brand of men's incontinence products. And so the first thing we've got here is a male incontinence pants. Now, I prefer to call them pants or incontinence brief. These are a disposable product that you can see elastic sided at the edges, quite a thick, heavy material inside, and so these often provide men the most amount of security and can hold the most amount of urine from leakage. So the box will say that they can hold up to around about 1100 mils. When I get men to do pad diaries measuring how much leakage is going into the pants, very rarely see them above 400 grams. So once they're getting to about 400 mils or so, most men are starting to change them. From the pants, we move into pads which go inside normal undies. And so here we have male incontinence level 3, so it looks a bit like a cricket box. Penis obviously sits in here. There's a sticky bit on the outside which is designed to go stick onto the undies to keep them in place. You usually need to be wearing fairly firm fitting undies for them to fit the best, and so they are the first pad. Again, looking at the box here, it will say hold about 700 mils. Once again, very rarely see these come back weighing in over about 350 grams. So there is still a lot that they can hold, but most men won't get to their maximum capacity. And I should show up, that's what they look like in terms of on the shelf, and where you can find them in most chemists, pharmacies, and now more and more supermarkets as well. From there, we can move down into smaller and smaller pads. So this is a level 2. So very, very similar to the 3, just a bit smaller and a bit lighter and thinner. And so it's designed for as the leakage comes down. So on the box we're saying about 450 mils. I'd say most men don't let them get above about 200 or so roughly. And then we move into the smallest incontinence product on the market, which is the Tena men's level shield. So this is a very, very light liner. Again, quite a small area. Will hold around about 100 mils. So this is for men that have very, very light leakage, the occasional drop of urine, maybe post peeing, or just losing a drop or two with a cough. So very, very small, very, very discreet. So once again, sticks into the undies, and away we go. So that is the Tena brand of products. There's also Depend and a few other things out there on the market, and the range of different sizes and roughly how much you can expect each one to hold. Any questions, just leave a message below.